What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm about to take my RSV4 for a test ride to test Gabro's new map, the MTorque map. I have everything connected, battery charger connected, app map device connected, and all that's left is click for the installation. Here it is, install, confirm, go, and it has started. Now the MTorque map is supposed to remove all torque limitations in first and second gear, but on engine 1. Now I usually don't ride the bike on engine 1, I always ride it on engine map 2. So I took the bike already for a ride, I tested the canyons, I rode it on engine map 1, and I can tell you that the feedback is very good. I thought that engine map 1 would be very choppy, and it actually isn't. It's actually very smooth. Of course, it's more powerful. You can feel the difference on the throttle, especially on turns. You know, you have to be very cautious on turns. Straights, it's how it is. You don't really feel a difference with the engine map 1. But now with this removal of all torque limitations in first and second gear, I'm really curious to see how it's going to perform. Now, first gear, I don't feel that I don't have a need to remove any torque limitations in first gear. This thing is a beast as it is. But second gear, I feel that I would appreciate the extra power. So I'm very curious to install this map, take it out for a ride, and see what this thing can do. Okay, so I'm already 3 minutes into the map installation, and it says here we need another 8 minutes. So I'll pause the video and return back when I'm closer to completing the install. All right, actually it took less than 8 minutes. It took more like 4. So it says to shut down vehicle dashboard and then press OK to continue when that's off. Okay. Now again, I'm not going through the whole instructions on how to install the map because I have a video for it, which is identical to the same process. Okay, turn on vehicle dashboard. And then press OK when it's on. There you go. Procedure completed successfully. Perfect. So now it means we have the MTorque map installed and ready to go. And to confirm, here it is. RSV4 21 and up, MTorque for velocity stacks and shorty exhaust, because I do have the GP22. There you go. Guys, actually this took about 10 to 12 minutes to install the whole map. So you might be okay to get away with charging the bike while you're installing the map. I don't recommend it because I've done multiple app map installs, so I know how to do it quick. And especially I didn't have to input my information. I've already purchased the map already, so I had to do none of that. So if you're just switching from one map to another, you may be able to get away with no battery charging. All right guys, so I'm on MTorque map, Gabro's map, on engine map 1, if you can see it. I'm gonna do some testing here with the canyons. So far for street riding, this is very acceptable. I don't think you cannot ride this map on the street. You know, it's all on your wrist control. It's super easy, super fun. The only thing I've noticed so far, because I haven't really tested it, is that I try to open throttle on first gear, and first gear redline within seconds. Like, it was crazy. I think it's because the MTorque map. I'm gonna test it now with the canyons to see what's going on, because first and second gear should have no torque limitation, so I guess we'll find out right there. Let's do this. I can't really test first gear too much. I can test second. Yeah, definitely more torque. you guys gonna feel it right away. Right away, man. These cannons are too slow for this kind of torque. Whoa. Oh yeah, guys. You can feel more torque, even from low end. Okay, I'm on third now, so it's easier to control. Let's see what second can do. The good thing is that it's easy to control. Not uncontrollable power. It's all in your throttle. All right. That was a good warm-up. Okay, to test first gear, I need to test it on a straight line. Really, because I don't really have first gear turns. Yeah, I cannot test first gear. It's too strong. Any difference in third gear, but second gear, man, oh, you're going to love this second gear. See, again, I'm on third, no reason to open third. All right, those were some good slow cannon turns. Let's wait for the guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna make a right. Yeah, right when you think, how much more power could I need? Gabro comes out with an MTorque map and you're like, yep, I needed that. It's super fun, man. I always had more torque in third and fourth gear. First gear is non-existent. It's like it goes by so quick, you don't even get the time to feel it. Plus, first gear was already powerful as it was. Yeah, there's a straight line down the road, but I may be able to test first and second gear. Hopefully, there'll be no cars there. this is beautiful, man. This bike never gets old, man. Okay, let's see this straight line here on the right. I see too many cars. I really want to test that first gear and second on red line. Let's see. I thought there was a cop, bro. Why do you guys buy bikes like that, man? You scare us. Oh man. Okay, let's find another straight. Okay, let's see what second gear can do. Yeah, man. Whoa! Yeah, this is freaking crazy, man. Oh my God! This bike is a different beast, man. Oh my God, this map. Oh my God, Gabriel, what have you done, man? Oh my God. One more torque and forth. Yeah, man. Okay, guys, so far I'll tell you this. If you're on stock map and you jump the MTorque map with velocity stacks, Gabros velocity stacks, an exhaust, an air filter, you will be amazed. You will be amazed. Now, if you go already from Gabros race map to the MTorque map, you will feel the difference big time. First gear, it has so much torque, it's like it doesn't exist. You can redline that gear in a split second. Second gear is where you feel all the power. It's kind of like what if it was feeling that it was missing. There goes our 660. There goes the Panigale before. Oh yeah, I gotta chase him. Let's go get them. There goes Gabro's torque. This truck wants to race. You can race, bro. Yeah, this is a very bumpy road. Yeah, it wheelies too, man, like crazy. If you don't control your throttle, it's gonna wheelie like crazy. Oh my God, this bike. Okay guys, if you have second thoughts, don't have them. So go ahead and click that button. Order that MTorque map. Get your app map, install your RSV4, and feel all the fun. Gabro does not disappoint, man. Gabro does not disappoint. Alright, to sum up, MTorque map, first gear, all torque there, man. No torque limitations. First gear goes out in a split second. It feels like you have no first gear. That's how quick it gets to red line. Now out of the turn, you do need throttle control. You know, if you don't have that throttle discipline, that can get you into trouble. Second gear, I think that's where all the fun is, because you can't really utilize first gear, and second gear is where most turns are, medium speed turns. So that's where you feel all that satisfaction of power and torque, and power out the turn as you exit the turn. I'm loving second gear, man. It's so fun. It transformed the bike. You'll feel crazy difference. I 100% recommend MTorque map. What I wish is somehow we could get some more torque in the third and fourth gear, a little more power in the third and fourth, maybe a little more in the fourth and third, but you know, it is what it is. Maybe we can play around with gearing, or forged wheels, which I'm doing next. Bottom line is, this map rocks, man. Don't hesitate. Get it.